Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit the visuals of your space on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should go to the space that you have created, scroll down to the posts section and tap on edit visual of your space. Click on edit visuals. Here you can select the space color. So tap on the relevant option and after that select the icon by tapping on this edit button. Then you can upload an image. So select it and click on upload. And here you can also upload a cover photo. So select a picture from your files and upload it. If you are done with adding these visuals, click on the done button down below to save these details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.